Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of differential equation, in particular applications of differential equation. In previous lecture, we discussed applications of differential equation on Newton's law of cooling, applications of differential equation in electrical circuit. Now, very important application of differential equation is orthogonal trajectories. So what is called orthogonal curves? You are aware when angle between two lines is 90 degree, then we can say two lines are perpendicular. But in case of curves, so when two curves are orthogonal, if angle between their tangents at the common point is 90 degree, then those curves are said to be orthogonal curves. Here I have shown in this figure, C1 is a curve, C2 is another curve, T1 is tangent to C1 curve and T2 is a tangent for this C2 curve, and P is the point of intersection of two curves, point of intersection of tangent also, and angle between these two tangents, angle between these two red dotted line is 90 degree, means they are perpendicular to each other. If angle between their tangents is 90 degree, then curves C1 and C2 are said to be orthogonal curves. Now, what are the orthogonal trajectories? In orthogonal trajectories, we deal with the family of curves. Two family of curves are said to be orthogonal trajectories of each other if every curve of each and every curve of one family is orthogonal to each and every member of other family of curves. Then the one family is said to be orthogonal trajectory of other family, or other one is orthogonal trajectory of the first one. Here, the green curves, family of ellipse, and the blue curves, family of parabolas, and each and every member of the parabola is orthogonal to each and every member of the ellipse. Therefore, family of parabolas is said to be orthogonal trajectory of the family of ellipse. This family of parabola is orthogonal trajectory of ellipse, and family of ellipse is said to be orthogonal trajectory of the family of parabolas. Now, how to find out orthogonal trajectories of the curve when the family is given, family of curve is given? The procedure I have written. The first step. In the first step, what to do? Differentiate given family of curves with respect to x, or you may differentiate with respect to y also. If you differentiate with respect to y, then corresponding changes you have to make. The differentiate given family of curves with respect to x and eliminate arbitrary constant present in the family of curves. The second step, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy and get the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. Yes, after replacement, you get the differential equation. That differential equation is a differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. And once you solve, step 3, once you solve that differential equation, you get the equation of orthogonal trajectory. 3 steps, first, second and third. Now, the problems are very simple. Find the orthogonal trajectory of the curves or family of lines y equal to mx. Yes, y equal to mx, family of lines passing through the origin. And I want orthogonal trajectory for the family of lines, and all those lines are passing through the origin. Okay, no need to draw figure here. Just I am going to find out orthogonal trajectory of this. Yes, this is a given family of curves. What is given family of curves or lines here particularly? Y is equal to mx. This is why I am calling this as a family, because for m equal to 1 you get y equal to x line. If you put m equal to 2, y equal to 2x line, y equal to 3x line, y equal to 4x, 5x, like this. And all those lines are passing through the origin because there is no free constant in the equation of line. Now, what to do? Differentiate with respect to x. I am differentiating with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, derivative of y is dy by dx. M is arbitrary constant and derivative of x is 1. This is our second equation. Yes, given family of curves, first equation, and after differentiation you get second equation. Now try to solve these two equations and try to remove m. M is what? Arbitrary constant here. Now how to remove m? Find value of m from here, put in the equation 2, or find value of m from here and put in the equation 1. So what I am doing, value of m is dy by dx I am putting here. The equation 1 implies y is equal to m into, this is m x. What is m? M is dy by dx. Value of m is dy by dx in short. So this differential equation we have obtained. Okay, this is the differential equation of this family of curves. Remember, differential equation of given family of curves. Now, what is the second step? Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. By minus dx by dy. I am replacing dy by dx by minus dx by dy. And once you replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy, or you may replace dx by dy by minus dy by dx also. If you replace dy by dx by this thing, then you get this equation. And this equation is what? It is the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. See, this is the differential equation of given family of curves, and this is the differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. So this may be asked as an MCQ. The differential equation of orthogonal trajectory may be asked as an MCQ, or differential equation of orthogonal trajectory you may be given, and you may be asked to find out orthogonal trajectory. This is a half part you can take. Now, once you get differential equation of orthogonal trajectory, then try to simplify this differential equation so as to get orthogonal trajectory. So what I am going to do here, variables I am separating, x and y I am separating. Y shifted on the left hand side, x kept on the right hand side. Yes, after separation of variable, in the same step I am taking integration. The integration of y with respect to y is y square by 2. And integration of x with respect to x is x square by 2, minus sign as it is, and integration constant I am putting here, arbitrary constant is n. The other than this n, any letter I am choosing for integration constant, the c I am putting integration constant. So this is orthogonal trajectory of given family of curves. This is orthogonal trajectory of this. Okay, this equation may be simplified further like this. You can shift x square on the left hand side, multiply by 2, so you will be getting like this. Okay, this is also orthogonal trajectory. Okay, these two equations are same. You may replace 2c by c also. You may replace 2c by b also, because this is general constant or constant of integration. And if you multiply constant of integration by any fixed number, you get again the constant of integration. The 2c may be replaced by b, 2c may be replaced by any other alphabet, but this right hand side is a constant. So this is orthogonal trajectory of this family of curves. In examination, as an MCQ, if this is given, this may be asked in the examination, or this is given, this may be asked in the examination. Okay, means half part may be asked as an MCQ, and rest of the half part may be asked for an MCQ. Now, the second problem. Find orthogonal trajectory of the family of curves x square plus 2y square equal to c. C is an arbitrary constant. Now, what is a given family of curves? Okay, given family of curves x square plus 2y square equal to c. Okay, now differentiate with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, what will you get? Derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx, and derivative of c is what? arbitrary constant is c. Okay. Now here what happened? After taking derivative, this c has been already removed. C has been removed by taking derivative. Okay. In previous problem, we have removed m, and we have taken efforts to remove m. Here, while integration, after integration, the c has been removed, and that is what we want. The c has been removed. Now you can solve this for one more step. I am dividing it by 2 because 2 is common. I am going to simplify this like this. I have divided it by 2. Now, after removal of integration constant or arbitrary constant, replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. And once you replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy, so you will get differential equation. This is what it is, a differential equation of orthogonal trajectories. This is a differential equation of orthogonal trajectory, and this may be asked in the examination as an MCQ. And if differential equation of orthogonal trajectory and this family of curve is given, so you may be asked to find out orthogonal trajectory in examination as an MCQ. Now, once you get differential equation of orthogonal trajectory, so try to simplify this. Means this minus sign is there. I am shifting this term on the right hand side. The simplification is fully dependent on you how to do it. Now, here variables I am separating dx, x I am shifting here. Okay, when you separate variable, it is very clear that dx and dy must be kept in the numerator. Dy by y. So y I have shifted on the left hand side, x I have shifted on the right hand side, and multiplicative constant you keep as it is. Okay, you can even shift multiplicative constant on the left hand side also. But if multiplicative constant is there, keep it on the right hand side. Now, then after separation of variable, take integration in the same step. Integration of 1 by y is log y. Integration of 1 by x is log x. Plus integration constant c is already exhausted here. I am putting p here. Integration constant p. So this is orthogonal trajectory of this curve. So here all the terms are log term. This is not mandatory, but all the terms are log term. For further simplification, I am taking log b as a integration constant. Okay, if you put b as integration constant, it is also okay. But all the terms are log term, remaining terms are log term. Therefore, log b I am putting integration constant. Then by law of logarithm, I am going to solve it for one more step. By law of logarithm, this 2 can be brought here. Log of a plus b is log of a into b. This is log y is there on the left hand side, and log of left hand side equal to log of right hand side. Therefore, their domains will be same. So this is orthogonal trajectory of this family of curves. Okay, you may keep this as answer, but in MCQ you may be given more simplified answer. Therefore, log b I have used. If you use b simply, it is also okay. So y equal to x square b is orthogonal trajectory of this one. Now, the problem for your homework is what? Find orthogonal trajectory of this. If you find orthogonal trajectory of this, this will be the answer. This is orthogonal trajectory of this family of curves, and orthogonal trajectory of this family of curve is this one. So if you try solving, finding orthogonal trajectory of this, then you will be getting this as answer. Now, third problem, find orthogonal trajectory of y equal to 4ax square. This is a given family of curves, y is equal to 4ax square. Okay, this is our equation 1. This given family. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx derivative of y. 4a is multiplicative constant. Derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, now here after taking derivative, a has not been removed, so we have to remove a. Okay, instead of removing a, just I am removing 4a. see 4a is equal to 1 by 2x dy by dx. Is it? This 2x I have shifted here. This 4a is equal to 1 by 2x dy by dx. This value of 4a you can put here, or either you can find value of 4a from here and you put in this equation, or find value of 4a from this equation and put in equation 1. The same thing. Now equation 1 implies what I am going to do. I am going to put value of 4a in this bracket. Value of 4a is what? 1 by 2x dy by dx. Now, after putting this one, this is the differential equation. This is a differential equation of given family of curves. This is differential equation of given family of curves. Now, what I am going to do? Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. So once you replace this by minus dx by dy, so you will be getting differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. This is differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. But this x you can remove, or here you can also remove x, or in this step you can remove x. Minus 1 by 2 dx by dy, and x square by x is x. So this is differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. This is differential equation of given family of curves. Okay, see the difference between these two. Now, separate variable. If separation of variable is possible, try to separate variable. When you separate variable, then dx and dy must be kept in the numerator. X dx as it is, minus 1 by 2 as it is, this I have shifted here, dy. And this 2 is present in the denominator, you can shift it to the left hand side also. It is your choice. Now take integration. Integration of y is y square by 2. Integration of x is x square by 2. And 2 is already there, plus integration constant c I am putting. A is arbitrary constant, other than a, c I am putting. Now this is orthogonal trajectory, y square by 2 plus x square by 4 is equal to c. This is orthogonal trajectory. This 2 is common, so you can divide it by 2. You can multiply it by 2, not divide. You can multiply it by 2. It will be 2c, and 2c may be replaced by c also. 2c may be replaced by b also. Okay, this is the most simplified orthogonal trajectory. Okay, this is orthogonal trajectory of this family of curves. Okay, you may call this as orthogonal trajectory of this family of curves. This is the most simplified answer. Is it? Next problem. Find the orthogonal trajectory of xy equal to c. Okay, this is the parabola. This is the equation of ellipse. This is again parabola. This is ellipse and this is parabola. Now we are going to find out orthogonal trajectory of given family of curves. And what is a given family of curves? It is rectangular hyperbola. Okay, this is the equation of rectangular hyperbola, but no need to draw figure. So what I am going to do? Differentiate with respect to x. If you differentiate with respect to x, what will happen? Take product rule. X. Use product rule here. X dy by dx plus y derivative of x is 1. U into v rule of the derivative of c is 0. Here again happened the same thing. In this problem also, after taking derivative, c has been removed. In this problem, c has been removed after taking derivative. Okay, or much more work is reduced. Now, this is the differential equation of given family of curves. This is a differential equation of 1 I am writing. Now replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy. What do you get? Replace dy by dx by minus dx by dy plus y is equal to c. Is equal to 0, not c. Now this is differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. after replacing dy by dx by minus dx by dy, you get differential equation of orthogonal trajectory. And once you solve this equation, you will be getting orthogonal trajectory. What I am going to do, y, this term I am shifting on the right hand side, it will minus, it will be plus then, in this way. Then separate variables. When you separate variables, dy and dx should be kept in the numerator. Integration of y is y square by 2, integration of x is x square by 2, and integration constant a I am putting, is it? Because c is already, c has been used here as arbitrary constant. So integration constant a I am putting. So one more step you may increase, that multiply by 2, y square equal to x square plus 2a. Then y square minus x square is equal to 2a, and this 2a may be replaced by b also. Okay, this is orthogonal trajectory. But these steps are not required. Okay, this is the orthogonal trajectory. This is the final answer. But why I am going to solve it further? Because if it is asked as an MCQ, the most simplified answer you must be known. Because in MCQ only single correct answer is given you. In this way we can find out orthogonal trajectory of given family of curves. We stop here. Thank you very much.